Ah, bitch.
Oh, that wasn't nice. It's recording. I'm gonna record you guys being idiots. Oh look, there's Hayden. Oh my god, that was a cheap shot.
No cheap shot.
Please do it. That'd be so funny. He's always... And there's Ryan.
And then
I will kill your family.
no, screw you. That's not fair.
That'd been so funny if you hit him in the back of the head right there.
Okay, after you've killed somebody, you can pick up another one? Yeah. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Grab the mace. We're waiting on the ref to say go.
Oh, go! I'm the ref. Yes, I said go. Sex. Oh yeah, on the beach.
On the beach.
Or on the wet part. Kaden killed you like 7 times! He looks like a badass. Oh! Epic fail.
Paige. I already had the knife and I was watching for a second as I walked in. I just went like that because Kate had his axe up here. So
You only got my arm.
Huh?
You only got my arm.
No, I got you in the gut on round 2.
Oh, really?
Because I swung twice, I went, boom, that.
No, that was the first round.
No, barely. While you were sitting up there, I went, kaboom, boom. Okay, 1-1.